how to change currency on H&M app. So in order to change currency, you'll need to change your country. So first of all, open your application. And currently here you can see I'm on the Saudi Arabia. And after opening it, here you can see these are all of the items. I'm going to tap on one item. And in here, you can see my currency is currently on Saudi Arabian currency. So in order to change it, you'll need to tap on the search icon right here. And after doing that, if you scroll down, you can get app settings. Simply tap on it and then tap on country. After doing that, you can now select the country that you want the currency of. I'm going to go with Kuwait. So I'm going to tap on it. And then all you need to do is tap on Save Changes. So it will give you the warning that you will be logged out and your shopping bag will be emptied if you change the market. So if you are okay with that, simply tap on OK. So after doing that here, I'm going to show you guys again. I'm going to tap on a random item just like this. And in here, you can see we have successfully changed our currency from Saudi Arabian to Kuwait currency. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.